my beautiful kings and queens. So today's video is brought to you by no other than Ziniff. So if you ladies or gentlemen don't know what Ziniff is, it is an online glass store. They carry a wide variety of different glasses for men and women. So I'm going to give you guys some helpful tips if this is your first time ordering a pair of glasses online. They do carry progressive glasses, photochromic glasses, as well as Blu-ray blocking glasses. What I like about Ziniff is you don't have to pick your regular traditional black or brown color pair glasses. They do have glasses from gold, clear, turquoise. So much different colored glasses you can choose from. And did I forget to mention, these glasses are very affordable. You could customize your glasses the way you like. You can add on things. Now for me, I do wear prescription glasses. I wish I was just lucky enough to just be walking around with different glasses every day to be fashionable. But with my eyes, I do have to wear glasses. I'm gonna let you guys know my experience when it came to the prescription glasses and what you would need to make it easier for you to order your prescription glasses. One, you must have your prescription on hand. If you do not have your prescription on hand, I would suggest going to your optometrist or your ophthalmologist and getting your prescription. If you do have a chill, laid back doctor that you go to routinely, you could just pretty much probably just call and get your information over the phone and write everything down. So with their prescription glasses, they do offer regular glasses as well as sunglasses. So if you are looking for a cute, stylish pair of sunglasses, this is definitely a website for you ladies or gentlemen to check out. Now, another thing when ordering your glasses online, besides having your prescription, you must have your PD. The PD measures the distance between the centers of your pupils. So this is why having the PD is very important. You just don't really want to guess, even though on their website they actually have a tutorial and they do show you how to measure the PD on your own, as well as how to measure it with somebody. I try to do it on my own and I did an okay job. I just called up the eyeglass store that I normally go to and I explained the situation at hand and they told me that I can definitely drop in. The only thing, I would have to pay $20 to get those measurements. I was okay with that because I'd rather paying the $20 rather than guessing and not being able to have my glasses correct. The average measurements for an adult PD, it ranges from 54 to 74 mm's. I believe I was directly in the middle. I don't have my prescription right in front of me, but I'm so glad that I did go ahead and do that beforehand. So enough of me rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the glasses for you guys. Now the glasses did come in a packaging like this. I did go ahead and remove the shipping label, so it do come packaged just like this. It do have the seal on it that says Ziniff, so you know that they were not open. So when you take your box out of the packaging, it do come like this, and I do like that you can just pull this little tab right here and the box easily opens. Off the back that I see when I open up the box is pretty much like a little thank you card as well as some coupons. So they did give 2 coupons in the packaging as well as an instruction care manual inside the box. The glasses do come with a glass cleaning cloth, so that is perfect for me because I don't have to worry about wiping my glasses to clean them with my shirt. So the cleaning cloth do say Ziniff. I love how sturdy this is. It's very sturdy. So off the back, I can tell this is made out of good quality because sometimes when you go to local eyeglass stores and you get your glasses, they come with a very cheaply made cloth, and I feel like the cheap ones scratch up the lenses more. So I'm going to go ahead and just, clean the lens just in case, just because. So this is the style of glasses that I do have. As y'all know, styles like this is very trending now. A lot of people are not wearing the square glasses. I feel like when I used to wear my square glasses, I used to look like the Nintendo Wii meme, and I didn't like that look, so I went for a nice bigger pair. This style gives me like teacher vibes, and the name of these glasses is Zeus Oval, and I did get them in the color black. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. I will leave a link to these exact pair of glasses, as well as a link to the exact website where you guys can go and order your glasses from. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. I'm gonna see if they got my prescription correct, and I'm gonna let you guys know my final thoughts. These glasses are cute. I do like these glasses. They are so cute. What you guys think? Do you guys like them? I think they're really cute. They're very stylish. They're very fashionable. These are really, really pretty. They're not too big. They are very, like, they're very, I wouldn't say tight, but they fit perfectly on my face. They're not falling down, which is a plus for me, because I hate when you order glasses and they be too big and they be falling off your face. Now, as far as my prescription goes, they did their thing with my prescription. These glasses are very clear. My prescription is perfect. It is perfect. It feels like I just went into a local eyeglass place and got these prescriptions. They cut my prescription to the T because I can see with no problem. And they go cute with this little wig, y'all. Hello, it's Miss Elisha. How you guys doing today? I feel like a whole teacher, y'all. Woo. Yes, I really like these glasses. They fit so perfect. Can y'all see how these glasses fit? They fit perfect. Now, I believe these glasses do have Blu-ray blocking on them. I can't really tell because I am new to like Blu-ray blocking glasses. So I don't know. I know some Blu-ray blocking glasses you can actually see the blue light. With these, I feel like I get like a real faint of blue. I'm not too sure. I'm going to have to probably wear these over time to see if I can actually tell and actually see the Blu-ray blocking, because I'm not too sure. I said Blu-ray blocking. Y'all, you see, I'm new to all of this. I meant blue light blocking. Y'all, forgive me, okay? Forgive me. I'm learning along with y'all, okay? So Ziniff was nice enough to send over a coupon code for all of my supporters. So at checkout, make sure you guys type in Elisha30. With this coupon code, you will get 20% off your lens as well as 50% off your frames. Now, who doesn't like a coupon? Y'all know on this channel, we all about saving the coins because ain't no need to be breaking the bank to look divified. So, in conclusion, I do love how these glasses turned out. I also do know that when you are going to place your order, the company may reach out to you, whether it's via phone or via email, to make sure that the prescription that you put in is correct. So if you happen to screw up things and then you realize that after you placed your order, your prescription is wrong, they will contact you, or you could just simply contact them and they will fix the issue with no problem. But my question to you guys is, have you guys tried Ziniff before? Have you checked out their website? Do you see glasses up there that you like? And if you do, let me know what's your favorite pair on their site. But that is going to be it for now. Like I always say, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that like button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.